back to the frequently asked questions from the henna guys. My name is Breanna, and today's question is, can you dye your dreadlocks with henna? Yes, you absolutely can. The process for dyeing dreadlocks is very similar to the process of dyeing regular single strand hair. The only difference is that it may take a little bit longer and you may have to massage the henna more deeply into the dreadlock strands just to make sure that everything is really saturated. And then when it's time to rinse them all out, you just want to make sure that you take a lot of care and attention to rinse all of the henna out of your dreadlocks because it does have a little bit of a gritty texture. You just want to make sure that it's rinsed completely out of them. As always, we do recommend a strand test. So you could take 1 or 2 dreadlocks and leave 1 strand on for 1 hour for a lighter color to see what it looks like on the dry dreadlock when it's done, or 3 hours for a bolder, richer color. And of course, with any time you're dyeing your hair with henna, the ultimate color result that you get is going to depend on the starting color of your hair and the starting health of your hair. That's it for today's frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the henna guys.